Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Rajati from We All Learn Today.
In this video, I'm going to explain how to take attendance in Google Classroom. So I just take this class. So go to the classwork and create question. So this is attendance. So date. Ask your question. So I'm going to change this as a multiple choice question. Yes. So I can ask this question for one class, or I can ask this for multiple classes. And then I just ungraded, and then due date is same date. So I'm going to change the date. So I can set the time also. So before 10:30. So we can create the topics. So we can directly ask the question to the students, or we can save the draft, or we can discard it, or we can delete it. So I'm just asking questions now. So just ask. So here it was created. So here this question is assigned for 23 students. If they answer means the count will be increased here. So this is the easiest way to take attendance in Google Classroom.